Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Azure functions with Microsoft Azure, beginner guide step by step clearly. To fix issues with Azure functions in Microsoft Azure, start by accessing the Azure portal. Log in with your Azure account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Search for function apps in the search bar. Select the function app that you want to troubleshoot. On the overview page, review the status of your function app. Check if the function app is running. If it's stopped, click on the Start button. Next, go to the Functions section in the left menu. Select the specific function you're experiencing issues with. Review the Monitor tab to check for any recent invocation logs. Look for any errors or warnings in the logs. If you encounter errors, take note of the error messages. Open the Code plus Test section to examine the function code. Review your code for any common issues, such as syntax errors or runtime exceptions. Make any necessary changes to the code. Test your function by clicking the Test button. Input any required parameters and execute the test. Observe the results in the Output section. If the function still isn't working properly, navigate to the Configuration section. Check the application settings for any missing or incorrect values. Update the settings as needed to ensure all values are correct. Next, head to the Networking section to verify your networking configuration. Ensure that any required access and networking rules are correctly set up. If you utilize external services or databases, ensure their connections are active and correctly configured. Once your adjustments are made, repeat the testing process. If the issue persists, consider checking the Diagnose and Solve Problems tool. This feature provides automated insights into common issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.